हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल एनएस ऑटोमेशन। दोस्तों, मैं आपका अपने चैनल एनएस ऑटोमेशन में बहुत बहुत स्वागत करता हूं। इन टुडेज सेशन विल सी हाउ वी अपलोड दी फाइल इन सेलेनियम। तो आज के इस सेशन में देखेंगे कि हम फाइल अपलोड कैसे करते हैं सेलेनियम में। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट। So basically upload file, how we perform this thing in Selenium WebDriver. So there are two ways to do the upload file in Selenium. First is send keys, and second is the third party libraries or API, that is the robot API, right? So basically we use send keys when there is a text box available on the web application. So you can use this way to upload a file, right? If you don't have the text box over the file upload button or browse file button is there, you don't have any text box present over there, so you need to use the third party library or the third party API, that is the robot API. So basically why we need to use the third party library, because the first thing is that when we used to click on the browse button or the file upload button, the windows pop-up get open. So there is no way to select or to automate a Windows pop-up with the help of Selenium. So that's why we use this robot API to upload a file if there is a window pop-up available. So you can say that the robot API is used to handle the Windows pop-up, and basically we perform this thing with the help of robot. Let me demonstrate you the two ways that we have basically in Selenium. दो तरीके जो हमारे इसमें हैं फाइल अपलोड करने के लिए। पहला सेंड कीज, जो कि हम तब करते हैं जब हमारी टेक्स्ट बॉक्स अवेलेबल होता है। अगर आपने कभी भी कोई सिनेरियो देखा हो तो आप देख सकते हो कि देयर इज टू थिंग्स हेयर, राइट? फर्स्ट इज द चूज फाइल एंड सेकंड इज द टेक्स्ट बॉक्स अवेलेबल, right? You can see in the UI if there is a text box, you can easily use the send keys option available, send keys command available in the Selenium. तो अगर आपको टेक्स्ट बॉक्स दिख रहा है तो आप सिंपली सेंड कीज का कमांड का यूज़ कर सकते हो फाइल अपलोड करने के लिए। एंड द सेकेंड वे, दूसरा वे ये है कि हम तब फाइल अपलोड करें जब कोई भी टेक्स्ट बॉक्स अवेलेबल ना हो। अगर कोई भी टेक्स्ट बॉक्स अवेलेबल नहीं है तो अगर आप सपोज यहाँ पर क्लिक करते हो, व्हेन यू क्लिक ऑन दिस ऐड फाइल बटन, तो यू कैन सी हियर द विंडो पॉपअप गेट ओपन. When the window pop-up get open, now you need to select the file from any of the drive where you have kept the file, and after selecting the file you just click on the OK button and the file get uploaded, right? So this is the way, and you can say that this is how we upload a file through Windows, or you can say that manually how you perform basically, right? So there is no text box here in this application, so you need to handle this thing with the robot API. I will show you both the things one by one. So let's see here the code how we upload a file with send keys and the robot API. First let's see the send keys. Send keys के थ्रू हम फाइल को अपलोड कैसे करते हैं? So send keys हम तभी यूज़ करते हैं जब हमारे पास टेक्स्ट बॉक्स अवेलेबल है, राइट? नाउ what I have did here, basically first of all I have initialized the browser initialize करने के लिए सबसे पहले you need to set the property. After setting the property you initialize the browser on which you need to perform, right? So अगर आपको Chrome ड्राइवर पे करना है तो Chrome ड्राइवर, Firefox पे Firefox ड्राइवर, IE पे करना है तो IE ड्राइवर, राइट? So किसी पे भी यूज़ कर सकते हो. Then the URL I have just kept this under string, right? Now I have maximized the browser, right? So this is how I initialize the browser. Again after that I just launch the URL. Basically when the Chrome get open, I just launch the URL. So basically the URL is the demoguru99.com. Now after uploading the URL, you need to first find the element, or you say in the locator of that text box, right? The text box that is available on the web page. जो text box available होगा उसके लिए आपको locator बनाना होगा, और जैसे ही आप locator बना ले हो आप इसी तरीके से रखते हो, right? How you kept your locators? Like in the same way. Web elements driver dot find element by dot. If you have used the ID, you can directly use by dot ID. If you have created CSS or XPath, so you have to use by dot XPath or by dot CSS selector, anything you can select, right? So this is how I have created the locator and kept here in the as in web element, right? Now this again, after keeping this thing in the as a web element, now with the help of the web element you simply use like the how you use the send keys method normally in the Selenium. सेम थिंग यू हैव टू डू हेयर, आपको सेम तरीके से यहाँ पे करना है. लाइक upload element, the reference you have created over here, and dot send keys. After send keys, you need to provide the path of the file which is located on your system. Like I have this on my folder. If you can see here, I have created a folder over only my project where I have the screenshot folder over here, and you can select any of the file which you have, right? If you want to select any file which is in your application, which is in your system, you can just provide the path of that file. So basically I have just provided the path of my file where it is located. Now I have used a sleep of 3 seconds. I just want to show you how it's uploading, right? So just applied a wait of 3 seconds. Then I have just clicked on the terms, that the checkbox available there, and the send key. So here if you can see, there is the two things available here, the checkbox and the submit button. So for that I have coded here. I've just used driver.find element by.id terms, that is the checkbox, and click that operation, and after that I have uploaded the file by clicking on the submit button. So let's see that. Let me run this code and you can understand what is going on the web application and how its file will get uploaded with the help of the send keys. So basically the browser will launch and the file got uploaded over there. Here I have applied a 3 second of wait so that you can check that the file uploaded. Check that button and submit on the file. So one file has been uploaded successfully, message has been. Now we'll see the second way to upload a file. If the text box is not available on the web application, only the browse button is available. So how you will perform, right? So in this scenario you need to use the third party library, that is the robot API. And how can you use the robot API? Basically first of all see this, when you don't have any text box, जब आपके पास text box available नहीं होता है तब आपको इस बटन पे क्लिक करने के बाद what you need to do here, आपको Windows pop-up को handle करना पड़ता है. How you handle the window pop-up first? When the window pop-up get open, you need to handle this window pop-up, and the robot key API is the API which handle the window pop-up with the help of the keyboard. So ये keyboard के through इसको handle करती है. Let's suppose आप अगर यहाँ पर देखो स्क्रीन पे, तो स्क्रीन पे क्या है, आपका एक विंडो पॉपअप ओपन हो गया है और इस विंडो पॉपअप में आपका जो फोकस है अभी, यानी कि फोकस यहाँ पर फाइल नेम पे है. तो फाइल नेम वो एरिया होता है जब आप फाइल सेलेक्ट करते हो तो यहाँ पाथ सेट हो जाता है, ठीक है. तो हमें भी यही करना है. व्हाट वी नीड टू डू सेम, द फोकस इज देयर इन द फाइल नेम. सो व्हाट वी नीड टू डू, वी नीड टू select the path, or we paste the path over this, right? We will paste the path over here, or we send the path over here, and then we'll transfer the focus to the open tab, right? So how will you transfer the focus? There is the way to, I will show you in the code, and then you need to use the tab function to go into the open button, right? Once you go into the open button, you need to press enter and the file gets selected, right? So this is how you perform manually with the help of the keyboard. Now I will demonstrate same thing with the help of my code, right? So let's go back to the my code. So here in this file, I have created a file of file upload robot where I initialize the browser, and what I did here, just open the browser, open the URL, applied some weight over here, and just created a method again using the robot API. What I did here, basically I use a command of Selenium to click on that button. How will you use that? So first of all, you need to create the locator of this, and after creating the locator, you need to select the, use the Selenium command, driver.find element by.css selector, that is the file name, that is the locator I have that created, CSS selector, and dot click method I have used. After this, there is no role of Selenium over here, or you can say the Selenium role is over. Now you need to use, or you need to move to the API, right? So here what thing you need to do, you need to perform. So firstly, you need to provide the path of the file where it is located. So same thing that I have shown you earlier, the path of my file is here, and how I can keep this file, I will use the string selection class of Java. So I have called the I have just created the object of string selection class, and where I have kept the path of a file inside the constructor of this string selection class, right? So this is the way I string selection, and the reference equals to new keyword and the constructor of the string selection, right? After this, I just calling the clipboard. Basically, the keyword, it will not take your keyboard like where you type. Basically, it takes the system keyboards, right? So basically, it call the system keyboard. You have the on-screen keyboard on your system, right? It call that keyboard. So if you can see here, if in your system there is an on-screen keyboard, right? So basically, it will call this keyboard to perform that window pop-up or handle the window pop-up with the help of the keyboard, right? So how you call the system clipboard? Basically, you need to use the clipboard variable where you need to call the toolkit dot get default toolkit dot get system clipboard. So this is how you call the system clipboard, and you will keep this system keyboard in the keyboard or clipboard reference variable of the clipboard, right? So after calling the clipboard and getting the file, you will set the file, right? Because when I open that window pop-up, the focus of that window is on the file name. The file name is the area where you keep your path, right? So here I have used the reference of clipboard dot set content, and I have just placed my file, right? So here I have just set the thing, right, to place the file over it. So now I will use robot class. So I have created the object of robot class, and after that I have just put a delay of 1.5 second, right? So you might be thinking guys कि मैंने यहाँ पर robot API का delay क्यों लगाया? Why I have used the robot dot delay, right? सो बेसिकली यहाँ पर जो आपके थ्रेड डॉट स्लीप जो कि जावा का वेट है, और जो इम्प्लिसिट और एक्सप्लिसिट वेट जो भी आपके सेलेनियम के वेट हैं, वो यहाँ पर काम नहीं करेंगे, क्योंकि ये विंडो का एक पॉपअप है, एंड इफ़ यू नीड टू हैंडल द विंडो पॉपअप यू नीड टू यूज़ द रोबोट डिले, राइट? तो वहाँ पर वो रोबोट का ही डिले जो मेथड फंक्शन है वो वहाँ पर काम करेगा, और आपको कोई भी चीज़ काम नहीं करेगी, राइट? सो दैट्स वाई आई हैव यूज द रोबोट डॉट डिले टू होल्ड on that window pop-up to let me know what is going on that window pop-up, right? So basically I have used the delay. After that, when I set the file, the location of the file in this set content, I will need to enter this, right? When you use the keyboard function or a mouse function, might you have noticed that when we press the function or the button or the mouse, it won't work on that time. When you release the mouse or when you release the button from your keyboard, जब आप हाथ हटाते हो, when you enter और enter के बाद हाथ हटाते हो, रिलीज करते हो, तब वो ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म होता है. सो व्हेन यू रिलीज द ऑपरेशन और रिलीज दैट बटन और द माउस इवन, तो वो ऑप्शन परफॉर्म होता है. तो इन द सेम वे यहाँ पर भी हमें वही करना है. वी नीड टू डू द सेम थिंग. वी नीड टू प्रेस the key enter button. So we'll use the robot dot key press. This keyword is the event inside. Then we'll use the key event dot vk enter, right? Vk enter is the you need to use the enter key from that keyboard. We'll use key press and then key release. So once we use key press and key release, the file will get pasted over that file name text box, right? After that, we need to transfer the control so that we can move to the open tab. So I have used key press and vk control. So basically I am just transferring the control. After that, I have just using the tab button. So press and release tab, and then I release my control because I reached to the open tab, and then I will again, you will need to enter this or hit the enter. So I just hit the enter. So I use the key press and key release to hit the enter. After that, using the delay of 1500 millisecond, right? So this is how we can automate the file upload scenario if the text box is not available using the robot API. Let me run this. You can so now you can see this, the file get opened, the web application get opened, and it will select the file, it pasted that, goes to the open tab, just click on the file get uploaded over here, right? So this is how you upload the file in Selenium WebDriver using the robot API. So guys, if you like this video, please like the button or subscribe my channel for further updates. Also, thanks for watching this video guys. Bye bye.